Hilarious design concepts. Imagine what Tesla might make next. How about a toilet? Oh, get out of here. No chance. Imagine. Although, I mean, there are some pretty high-tech toilets out there.
Uh-huh.
And you could get like heated seats and laser-guided streams of warm water. But I don't know that there's been any that have had the full-on gaming chair scenario, because my issue here is obviously hygiene. Like, you got too much material going on. Can you wipe everything down? Touchscreen is also going to have fecal matter on it, 100%.
Yeah, the splashing. Yeah, for sure.
What's this? This is a Tesla portable sink with SpaceX water management, filtering and recycling wastewater. Remove the need for a constant connection to plumbing. Oh, okay. Off-grid, because you've already got Starlink. And so you're off grid. It's weird they show the soccer ball. Anyway. And you're just recycling the water, and it's filtering it somehow. UV, probably.
Yeah, and it has like the idea of Cybertruck with the stainless steel.
My Cybertruck sink folds up. Yeah.
We have a toaster.
In the wall.
Yeah.
I don't mind that. That's actually, you know what?
More flatbread.
You know what? In the wall, I'm a little concerned with the heat.
Oh, yeah.
Toasters
it travels upwards.
Really hot, don't they?
Yeah.
I don't know if that one was thought through completely. I guess sometimes you have an oven in the wall, but an oven, they insulate that. I have a lot of questions here with the Tesla toaster, but you can see you get the Tesla logo on this. This is for the super fans. This is not for O'Dowd.
No.
Or maybe it is.
Secret.
Tesla bed with an incline for perfect sleep. This is going to be like with the motor, so you go up and down. Okay,
it's got a Cybertruck look.
There you go, 5 centimeter incline in the headrest to reduce acid reflux. I don't know if Elon suffers from that, but just in case. And yes, it has been Cybertrucked, the stylings.
Yeah, that's it.
Which one of these is most likely to happen? Oh, God, that's nearly impossible to answer. Which one? The sink?
Actually not
the Tesla sink is the most likely?
It's cheeky enough. Or maybe the bed.
The Tesla bed. Interesting. Okay. Well, you guys go ahead. You guys go ahead in the comments.
It's got headlights.
Tell me which one you're most likely to go for. I mean, a bed is so hard to buy and ship, and
it's stainless steel.
Everything else.
It's metal.
Yeah.